Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log out of the eBay app on your smartphone. If you are switching accounts or just want to sign out for the security reasons, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Now let's get started. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, look for the account icon. On most devices, it is located in the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your account setting. Now scroll down until you see settings. It's over here, tap on it. Within the settings menu, look for the option of sign out or log out button. You can see it over here, tap on it. And that's it, you have successfully logged out of the eBay app. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.